In this video, you will learn how to install the Flettner Slimline Low Profile Ventilator. You will need the fitting instructions supplied with your ventilator, a drill, a pair of scissors, a 2.5mm and a 5.5mm drill bit, a permanent marker pen, a 44mm hole saw, a steel rule, a hacksaw, a file for deburring the roof edges, rust inhibitor and a brush, a 3mm Allen key, and waterproof silicone sealant. Step 1. Preparation. Cut the fitting template from the instructions provided with your ventilator using scissors. Use a drill bit or other pointed object to carefully puncture the template in each of the screw hole positions. Locate the position on the van roof where you want to fit your Flettner. We recommend you fit your Flettner close to a roof strut or support. Do not fit it to a large unsupported section of the roof. Place the template on the roof and using a permanent marker pen, carefully mark the holes in the template. Step 2. Fitting. You are now ready to drill the holes in the vehicle roof. This can be done from either inside the vehicle or from the outside if you have the appropriate safety ladders. Don't forget to wear safety glasses and ear protectors for this next step. Drill 6 pilot holes in the roof of the vehicle using a 2.5mm drill bit. Open up the 4 outer fixing holes with a drill fitted with a 5.5mm drill bit. Using a 44mm hole saw, create 2 holes using the center pilot holes. Line up the metal rule to both outer edges of the 2 circles and draw a line between them on each side. Use a hacksaw to saw along the lines to remove the center section and create 1 large curved hole. Remove any burrs from the cut edges using a metal file. Once you have done this, use a good quality rust inhibitor to protect the exposed metal surfaces against corrosion. Apply the waterproof sealant around the edge of the underside of the ventilator before positioning it in place on the top of the vehicle. Screw the base into the ventilator from inside the vehicle using the 4 screws. Test that the ventilator rotates freely and you're ready to go.